My name is Leah Withrow. I'm the head groundskeeper for the Reno Aces. I inherited my ABI Force from my previous boss, and thank goodness that he was able to get one. I started using the Force in 2018, second year after soccer arrived, to help with conversions back and forth between soccer and baseball, and now we use it for everything. We use our Force pretty much daily. We use it on the warning track to drag and level off the warning track pregame, as well as infield and skin management. Right as soon as we get in the morning, we use it to fluff the infield, and then once BP is over, batting practice is over, we're able to drag it back out, smooth out the surface, get it game ready, and then re-wet it. And then again, post-game, it's used to smooth out the surface. Obviously a lot of wear and tear through a 3-hour baseball game, and the Force comes in and cleans everything up really nice so that I can put a nice coat of water on it and go home for the night. It's great for huge projects, small and big projects. I use it yearly to laser grade my own infield, as well as laser grading our warning track. Sometimes 5 or 6 times a year, depending on special events. It's great for cleanup after those, as well as just a nice touch-up and being able to see where all of our grades are at and making sure that we're up to MLB standards. And then it's been great for huge projects. We did a full field renovation in 2021, and we were able to use 4 at a time. We're on the field going, one for infield, one for the outfield grass, just laser grading all the dirt and fine tuning before sod goes down, and then again on the infield sand before sod goes down on the infield, and then like I said, on the infield dirt as that started to get spread. Really good with detail work, really good for fine tuning, and very efficient for big projects like that. We've been using the Force as almost a second part-time worker because it does almost all the heavy lifting for us. It saves us half of the time it would take to do it by hand, saves us half the time as maybe another piece of equipment would because of the multi-tools, and being able to switch them out super easily, super user-friendly. I can get any of my part-time crew that has very little field experience on it and teach them and know that they're safe and know that they can and safely use the machine properly. I think the ABI Force is used by everyone, and anyone who wants one. Has phenomenal uses across all platforms. Park and recreation, there's so many fields that you guys balance and so many different places you have to be. It's a time saving, it's a cost savings, and you are able to keep a high standard of your fields consistently because you are using something that is a consistent piece of equipment. All the way up to a university level. Again, so many fields to have to maintain and manage. So to be able to save some time with a easy piece of equipment that many of your staff can use, as well as the professional level, I love and use it every single day.